slightly hungover, moist morning, ready to go down to Barregarrow. Hopefully get there for a good spot, have breakfast and lunch and dinner. Got bags all loaded up, ready to go. We're going to have to spend the day there. There's already been an announcement for 2-hour delays, but we're not trying to beat the road closure, we're trying to beat people for getting a good spot. So we will just wait for Tom to arrive and get on our merry way. Camp chairs ready. We've got hot water, we've got cold water, and lots of snacks. Well, we are mobile. It's trying to rain. Oh, and my voice just broke. My throat is absolutely lovely. Well, this does not look hopeful. If visibility is bad on the mountain, then we got issues. And the problem with it being so moist, even if it dries up, it makes more fog. We could be in for a long day here, but we will see. We will see. Hopefully there's no sheep. There's a cattle grid somewhere. There she is. Right, we are here. I think it's that one. Oh! Okay. Do you want to park out here? Sorry? Do you want to park out here on the firm? Yeah. Cool. Oh, my goggles are fogged up, I can't see them. Oh. 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 What'll do it? Yeah. Car park and chilled. I'm sure that's Tom just gone past there.
Who?
Tom.
I'm sure I heard him in the garage when we were in it down.
Could be. Private, not for public use. This stand is for the maintenance staff who look after the land, which we have kindly opened up for you to watch the races. Please do not use, as we want to watch the races too. Thank you. That's fair enough.
What is it for?
The people that look after the land.
Oh, okay.
Oh, parkour. There is so much fucking weight in my back. Oh yeah, baby. Oh shit. How do we get under that thing?
Oh, heavy. Oh, heavy.
Oh,
that's just dodgy.
Jiggled a bit. Right. I'll get you 100% before we go. Here we are. Tried to do some building for Taylor's chair. It's sketchy. This one's at an angle. And we arrived just in time.
Yes.
Yeah, it's bin bag.
Yeah, good shit everywhere.
You got that potato chip.
We've upgraded really because we're doing the shitty little sandwiches last time.
No sandwiches on the fence. We got the barbecue. It's hot shit.
It's not just food, it's M&S food. Fucking bikes.
Did you get that, Tom?
Again.
It's an absolute fact. The twins are called twins because they have two wheels.
What does that make a super twin?
It's like a normal twin, but every now and again it rips off its shirt and has another outfit underneath with a cape. That's fact.
Factually.
People in the paddock will be upset about this result. Leads